Hello guys, this is Tommy Tom from SourcingYuan. I believe many people today are very interested in buying cheap second-hand mobile phones in China, especially in Huaqiangbei, Shenzhen, which is the largest electronics market in China. Today, I will review two second mobile phones from Huaqiangbei. Beginning of the video, I want to ask you just by looking at the packaging of the mobile phones, which one looks more like a fake second-hand product? Okay, let's take a look at the packaging of these products. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and this is iPhone 14 Plus. I believe many people will choose the former just based on the packaging, because buying a second-hand phone with a non-original package is definitely a risky move. Now let's start by looking at the product packaging. Obviously, the packaging of the 14 Plus on the left is more polished, you can see that, and while the packaging on the right is rather perfunctory. Okay, let's start with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As we can see, all original components are complete. You can see that it's like the new one. And visually there are no apparent issues. It's easy to mistake it for normal second-hand device, you know. Now let's power it on. Logo comes off. And we can see that the screen responds extremely slowly. Can you feel that? So it has been replaced. So let's check for other issues. And see setting and the general. You can see the about. When you open it, you will see that the display is unknown part and the camera is also unknown part. Then let's check the media equipment ID. We go to see the settings. Even though we can see that although the ID is correct, but it is still a replaced defective product regardless. So I think everybody should be careful. It is fake. It's not good. Okay, let's see another one. And this sticker on the back states that if this icon is intact, the product is eligible for 2-year warranty. And we open it and check the general. We can see that there's no problem. This is the ID, and we check the ID. It's all the same. So, and we will find that the screen and the camera is so smooth. I like it. It's all okay. So that is the real high quality product. I understand that many foreign merchants nowadays intend to purchase second-hand phones in China. However, please do not be deceived by fresh appearance when inspecting products. So please be sure to check these details. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope all foreign buyers will come to China to purchase second-hand electrical products can be extremely cautious. Many scriptures mentions will light up at the sight of you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe us. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.